Okay, business owners, here is a different version of our thank you page. So, the thank you page is really where you have a lot of control, especially if you're creating digital products. So, I'm going to just test this out really quickly, and then you can see kind of how this different version of the thank you page works. So, I'm going to use the name, let's say Jane, and then Jane at AOL.com. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the please send my planner button. Okay, so now it has sent us over to our thank you page, and this is a different version than the previous video. In the previous video, we had a plain, just a plain version of the thank you page. It looks the same pretty much here at the top. However, if you want to download your planner, all you need to do is click on this button. We're not going to do that. We're just going to go through this so that you can see how you can make variations of your thank you page to do different things. So on this page, we put together the ultimate organization package. So we have a planner. So people want to get organized. They want to get their business, so that it runs smoothly. And this planner is going to help them do that. So we created, and this is just kind of some bogus stuff that I put together just so that you can see, just for illustration purposes. So we put together the ultimate organization package for a limited time. So this is where you can use that countdown timer. And so Thrive Suite comes with a countdown timer included in the package, and you can use that to create a time sensitive offer for your audience. So in this package, we're going to give you, in addition to getting the worksheets, you're also going to get a video. And that video is going to show you and give you insight into how to use the planning system. So you're going to be able to be zero focused on how, on tips and things that you can do to get your business organized so that you can get more done in less time. And hopefully this will help you to earn more money. That is the ultimate goal. So you have 15 minutes to make a decision on whether you want to get this deal. And then once the timer counts all the way down, the deal will disappear. So this is the tutorial. And then this is just some other stuff that I threw in there, but this just kind of gives you an idea of how you can structure your offer. So you can provide additional checklists, worksheets. You can give your audience videos, just all kinds of different digital products. You can bundle them all together and add some additional value to what you offered them for free, right? Which was this. And you can, give them a saving. So maybe you sell these items in your shop and you sell them at a certain price. Now, in this case, we sell these items separately in our shop, and when you buy them as separate pieces, they come to $20. So you can get these items in our shop, but you're going to pay $20 for them. If you want to get them based on this deal, we're going to give you half off, which means you're going to pay $10 today. And then we will also help you, make a very quick and easy checkout. So there's no need to send people through your shop checkout. You are just going to give them a simple buy button where they can click on this button and they can buy your product using Stripe or using PayPal. So there's some additional videos that you can watch that will show you how to get all of that set up. So that is pretty much it. So we know that our system works. We know the different variations that you can set up for your thank you pages. And you can do, just a regular thank you page. You can do an upsell. Some people don't like doing upsells when they are trying to get people to subscribe. So it just depends on you and what you want to do. but I thought I would throw that in here just so that you can see how all of that works. Okay, so thanks for hanging out, and I will see you. We have one more video, and that is on the email welcome series that you want to send out to your new subscribers. Okay, thank you. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Okay, have a good day.